Y'all, look at this. I went out and took my garbage out, you guys. I could barely get out our apartment building because the snow is up to my knees. I mean, I was high stepping it to get to the garbage bin, but yeah, they may not be digging us out till tomorrow. This is supposed to last till 3 o'clock today. I don't know, we'll see. Y'all, they're here. We're getting dug out. Look at how much snow. Jesus H. Martha.
Is he on the lawn?
Yeah, no, he's on the sidewalk, and yeah, there's a lot of snow. We're getting dug out, y'all. So you guys, here we are. So that's about how much snow we got. Woo! Look at that. Oh my God. Look at that. Look, right up there.